Wake up, go to work, sit in traffic, pay your bills, wait for the weekend, and do it all over again for 40 years. Sound familiar? Let's be brutally honest for a second. The traditional 9-to-5 plan is broken. In fact, by the end of 2026, it's going to be completely obsolete for a lot of people. Right now, we are living through the single biggest wealth transfer in human history. AI isn't just a cool tech gadget anymore. It is replacing entire departments. But here's the secret that the news isn't telling you. While millions of people are terrified of losing their jobs, a small, smart group of everyday people are using this exact same AI to build completely automated income streams. I'm talking about ordinary people making $300, $500, or even $1,000 a day. They aren't working 80-hour weeks. They aren't hiring employees. They don't have offices. They are building what I call lazy micro-businesses. These are tiny, highly profitable systems that run on autopilot. In this video, I am going to hold your hand and walk you through 5 of these exact AI micro-businesses. You can start any of these this weekend with $0 and zero experience. I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprints. Make sure you stick around for method number 5, because local businesses are literally begging people to set this up for them right now. Grab a coffee, take some notes, and let's change your life. All right, let's dive into method number 1, the lazy AI agency. Think about your local neighborhood. Think about the pizza shop, the dentist, the plumber, or that new coffee shop down the street. Every single one of these business owners knows they need to be posting on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to get new customers. But here is the reality. They are too busy actually running their business. A baker wants to bake bread, not figure out what hashtags to use on a Tuesday. That is exactly where you step in and solve their headache. You send them a simple email or walk into their shop and say, "Hey, I love your business. I will completely take over your social media, post high-quality content every single day, and manage your online presence for just $500 a month." Now, to a business making tens of thousands of dollars, $500 is pocket change. It's a no-brainer for them. But here is the lazy part. If you did this the old way, managing 5 clients would take 40 hours a week. With AI, it takes you 2 hours a month. You go home, open a free AI like ChatGPT, and type, "Act as an expert marketer. Write me 30 days of engaging social media posts for a local bakery, including emojis and viral hashtags." Boom. In 10 seconds, your entire month of copywriting is done. Next, you use an AI image generator to create mouth-watering photos, or you just ask the owner to send you a few pictures from their phone. You put it all into a free scheduling tool like Buffer or Canva, set the dates, and click Save. You are done. The software automatically posts for them every day. If you get just 5 clients at $500 a month, that is $2,500 in pure recurring income. You spend maybe 1 afternoon a month setting it up, and the AI does the rest. It's the easiest agency model in the world.
Method number 2 is the Faceless Shorts empire. Let me ask you a question. How much time do you spend scrolling through TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts every day? An hour? 2 hours? We are all addicted to short-form content, but 99% of people are just consumers wasting their time. The 1% are the creators, getting paid for your attention. You might be thinking, but I don't want to be a YouTuber. I hate being on camera. Perfect. Because the most profitable channels right now are completely faceless. You never show your face, and you never even use your real voice. You can build channels around incredibly popular niches like stoic philosophy quotes, scary true stories, fascinating historical facts, or personal finance tips. Here is the step-by-step. First, you ask AI to write a 45-second script about a crazy historical fact. Second, you take that script to an AI voice generator like 11 Labs. It will give you a voice that sounds like a professional Hollywood narrator, just like the voice you are listening to right now. Third, you drop that voiceover into an AI video editor like CapCut or InVideo. The AI will automatically pull relevant video clips, add background music, and put those highly engaging, popping subtitles on the screen. You spend 15 minutes a day making one video. You upload it. As the YouTube algorithm pushes your videos to millions of people, you get paid ad revenue every single month. It is a digital cash machine that works 24/7. Moving on to method number 3, This is one of the most underrated ways to make money online right now. I call it the AI newsletter broker. In the modern world, attention is the new oil. Whoever owns the audience makes the money. But people are busier than ever. Nobody has time to read 20 different websites to keep up with their industry. People want information fast. That's why email newsletters are exploding. Let's say you start a newsletter called the AI Real Estate Update, aimed at real estate agents. Your promise is simple. Read our email for 5 minutes every Friday, and you will know everything happening in the market. Now, you don't need to be a journalist. You just use AI. You tell an AI tool to scan the internet, find the top 5 most important real estate news stories of the week, and summarize them into fun, easy-to-read bullet points. It takes you literally 5 minutes to compile the whole email. So how do you get paid? Sponsorships. Once you have a few thousand real estate agents reading your email every week, big software companies or mortgage brokers will reach out to you. They will happily pay you $500 or even $1,000 just to put a small banner ad at the top of your email. You don't have to sell a product. You don't deal with customer service. You are just using AI to connect information to an audience, and you collect the toll. Method number 4 is AI print on demand. Now, starting a physical product business or a clothing brand used to be a complete nightmare. The old way meant you had to guess what people wanted, spend $5,000 buying inventory from overseas, fill your garage with boxes, and then manually run to the post office every time someone bought a shirt. It was risky and exhausting. The new way? Zero inventory, zero shipping, zero risk. You use AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E to create incredible high-quality artwork. Maybe you target the pet niche and generate funny illustrations of golden retrievers. Or maybe you create cool, vintage-style hiking graphics. You take that AI-generated image and upload it to a free print-on-demand platform like Printify or Printful. You place your design on t-shirts, coffee mugs, or hoodies. Then, you link it to a free online store or an Etsy shop. Here is the magic moment. When a customer pays you $30 for that hoodie on your website, Printify automatically gets notified. They print the hoodie, package it, and ship it directly to the customer for $15. You keep the $15 profit. You never touch the shirt. You could create 100 new designs a day using AI, put them in your store, and it costs you absolutely nothing. It is the ultimate passive business. And finally, we have arrived at method number 5. This is the gold mine. This is the secret method that is making people thousands of dollars right now. AI customer lead bots. Let me paint a picture for you. It's 10 p.m. A pipe bursts in a homeowner's house. They panic and Google, plumbers near me. They call the first plumber on the list, but it's late, so it goes to voicemail. Does the homeowner leave a message and wait? No. They have a flooded house. They immediately call the next plumber on the list. That first plumber just lost a $2,000 job simply because he was asleep. This happens to roofers, lawyers, and mechanics every single day. They lose massive amounts of money to missed calls and ignored messages. Here is your business. You use free no-code AI platforms like VoiceFlow or Chatbase to build a simple AI chatbot. You give the bot the business's FAQs and calendar. Now, when a customer visits their website at 10 p.m., the bot instantly replies, answers their questions, and books the appointment on autopilot. You go to the business owner and say, I built an AI employee for you that works 24/7 and never misses a lead. I charge a $1,000 setup fee and $300 a month to maintain it. When they realize this bot will save them thousands of dollars a month, they will hand you their credit card instantly. Get just 10 businesses on this system, and you are making $3,000 a month in pure passive income from software you didn't even write. Listen to me very carefully. The tools are here. They are completely free. The internet has leveled the playing field. The only difference between the people making $10,000 a month and the people struggling to pay rent is action, execution. You don't need to try all 5 of these today. Pick just one method that excited you the most. Commit to it for the next 30 days. Don't make excuses. Build your system. If you want more detailed step-by-step videos on exactly how to build these specific businesses, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for DollarProof Daily. Leave a comment down below telling me which of the 5 methods you're going to start with. Let's build wealth in 2026. I will see you in the next video.